Introduction. In the labyrinth of life, where uncertainty casts long shadows and turmoil touches each heart, one ancient path glimmers through the darkness, promising not escape, but strength. This path, Stoicism, is not a mere philosophy but a beacon for those who seek tranquility amidst chaos and mastery over the tumult within. Originating in the bustling markets of Athens, it was Zeno of Citium who laid its foundations, offering a way to anchor the soul in virtue and reason. But what is this ancient wisdom that whispers through the ages, and how can it guide us now in our quest for inner peace and resilience? Let us embark on a journey through the core of Stoicism to discover a philosophy not only of mind but of action, and perhaps, in its depths, find ourselves transformed. The core of Stoicism. At the heart of Stoicism lies a simple yet profound distinction between what is within our control and what is not. Epictetus, the once enslaved philosopher who became one of Stoicism's most eloquent voices, taught we control our opinion, pursuit, desire, aversion, and, in a word, everything of our own doing. This core principle invites us to focus our energies not on the caprices of fate, but on our own actions and judgments, crafting an inner citadel impervious to external storms. Stoicism teaches us to live in harmony with nature, not just the natural world, but our nature as rational and social beings. Marcus Aurelius, the emperor-philosopher, reflected on the importance of acting in accordance with reason, the very essence of our being. It is in understanding and aligning with this nature that we find true freedom and happiness, not in the fleeting pleasures or sorrows brought by fortune. The tranquility that Stoicism offers is not a passive acceptance, but an active engagement with life, focusing on our internal state rather than external events. It is a philosophy that does not seek to extinguish emotions, but to transform them, guiding us towards virtue and away from the destructive passions that ensnare the soul. Mastery over emotions. Stoicism presents a radical proposition that it is not events themselves that disturb us, but our judgments about them. Seneca, a statesman and Stoic philosopher, explored the nature of anger, showing it to be not a given response but a choice, and one within our power to overcome. This insight opens the door to mastering not only anger but all passions that lead us astray. The stories of Stoic practitioners illuminate the path to emotional resilience. Epictetus, born into slavery, found in Stoicism a freedom no chains could bind. The freedom of his mind. Marcus Aurelius, amidst the burdens of empire, sought wisdom not in dominion over others, but mastery over himself. His meditations are testament to the power of Stoic reflection in the face of adversity. One of the most potent Stoic practices is the premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils. This exercise involves contemplating potential misfortunes, not to dwell in fear, but to diminish their power over us. By foreseeing the challenges we may face, we fortify our minds, readying ourselves to meet them with composure and strength. Stoicism in practice. The wisdom of Stoicism is not confined to the realm of thought, but is deeply rooted in practice, in the daily actions and decisions that shape our lives. Among these practices, journaling stands out as a powerful tool for reflection. By examining our thoughts and actions through writing, we engage in a dialogue with ourselves, uncovering biases and realigning our actions with our values. This practice echoes the Stoic commitment to self-improvement and the vigilant examination of one's life. Another key Stoic practice is the contemplation of nature, which serves to remind us of our place in a larger order. This perspective fosters a sense of connection to the world and its natural rhythms, reinforcing the Stoic principle of living in harmony with nature. Additionally, the Stoics practiced voluntary discomfort, such as periodic fasting or exposure to the cold, to cultivate gratitude for what one has and resilience in the face of hardship. The concept of oikeiosis, or the natural affection towards one's kin, extends to a broader Stoic principle: the development of social interconnectedness and care for the common good. Stoicism teaches that our evolution as moral beings involves expanding our circle of concern, from ourselves and our immediate family to the community, and ultimately to all humanity. The Stoic community. Stoicism recognizes that humans are inherently social creatures and that our well-being is inextricably linked to the health of our communities. Musonius Rufus, often called the Roman Socrates, emphasized the importance of Stoic philosophy not just in personal ethics but in the fabric of public life and relationships. This communal aspect of Stoicism challenges us to act not only for our own benefit, but for the welfare of others, cultivating virtues like compassion, empathy, and justice. In this light, Stoicism teaches us to view humanity as a single community, where each individual's welfare is bound to the collective good. It is a call to transcend narrow self-interest and to act with kindness and responsibility towards our fellow beings, reflecting the Stoic belief in the fundamental interconnectedness of all people. Overcoming destructive emotions. Central to Stoicism is the conquest over destructive emotions, achieved not by denying our feelings, but by understanding and redirecting them. Marcus Aurelius, in his Meditations, offers wisdom on transforming obstacles into opportunities for growth, embodying the Stoic ideal of turning adversity to advantage. Seneca's letters provide guidance on finding serenity in the face of loss and change, teaching us to cultivate a mindset that embraces life's impermanence with grace. The Stoic concept of amor fati, or love of fate, represents the pinnacle of this emotional mastery. It is the embrace of life in its entirety, the good with the bad, seeing every experience as an opportunity to practice virtue and wisdom. This acceptance is not passive resignation, but an active, joyful affirmation of life, whatever it may bring. The modern Stoic. The principles of Stoicism, though ancient, have not lost their relevance. They offer a compass for navigating the complexities of modern life. In an age marked by stress, uncertainty, and the relentless pursuit of happiness, Stoicism provides a framework for finding contentment and strength within oneself. Contemporary philosophers and psychologists like Massimo Pigliucci and Donald Robertson have explored the application of Stoicism to modern challenges, showing how its teachings can help us deal with anxiety, build resilience, and lead more fulfilling lives. Conclusion. The journey through Stoicism is a journey inward, toward a fortress of calm and strength that stands unassailable, no matter the storms without. It is a philosophy not of retreat, but of engagement with ourselves, with our fellow beings, and with the world. In embracing Stoicism, we find not just a way to endure life's trials, but to transcend them, transforming every moment into an opportunity for virtue, growth, and deep joy. This ancient wisdom, tested by time and adversity, offers us the keys to becoming indomitable. It invites us to step into the arena of life with courage, equipped with the tools of reason, virtue, and compassion. In doing so, we not only uplift ourselves but light a beacon for others, contributing to a world marked by resilience, wisdom, and kindness. If the path of the Stoic resonates with you, if you seek not just to navigate life's storms, but to dance in the rain, then join us on this journey. Like, subscribe, and share, becoming part of a community that values depth, wisdom, and the indomitable spirit.